It is Saturday evening, 5:30 p.m. Of course, I haven't had breakfast, but I did have some drinks this morning. If you saw my last video, of course, that's not guaranteed, is it? But I'm having a chai tea latte from You Can See Corner Bean. Now that chai bean latte is a different color. I thought it was milk at first. It tastes almost the same. There might be some variations in it. I don't know, as I say. But it is very good. However, I got a real treat here. I'm going to call it a treat when it's actually a meal. Oh no, for the second time in a row, not quite in a row, with a little lapse time in between, I'm gonna have a fiery good time. Fried chicken. Fried chicken from Ono. Spicy? Is it gonna be hot? I got rice, and as you can see, there's mac. Fiery chicken. But all this maneuvering in the car just to show a good picture of my food. Sometimes it can get a little bit ridiculous, but it's called Island fried chicken. You get 2 rice, 1 mac, 1 veggie, $15.49. That is with the $1.50 tax. And we're gonna see how fiery it is. It is Ono Hawaiian. I miss Hawaii. So here goes. Got a little gristle there. Can't eat no gristle. Other than that, I can feel the spice that it might get hot. I put onion there. It is spicy. It could get hot. It's actually mildly hot. But it's very good. Ono Hawaiian Island fried chicken. So delicious. And of course it's gonna be so filling. Here's the mac. Got a real good picture of the mac right there. Island fried chicken. How many times am I gonna say that? Island fried chicken. I miss the Hawaiian Islands. Everything about Hawaii is in there. Everything. It's not real hot. It has a sweet taste. Very delicious indeed. I got a couple more treats I want to try out there pretty soon. But right now, they got it. Oh no, it's not bad. Even though it's new to me, this is my second time. But who's counting? I'll see you in my next video. I'm eating dinner and thinking of the islands at the same time. When will I ever go back? I might as well take advantage of it while it's here. In my mind and body. See you in my next video. Ono Hawaiian Barbecue. Very good indeed.